About a month ago I took this really drastic decision and cut my hair after more than 2 years, I think, and it's not much difference. It was just the tips which were really destroyed already, but after I got a new haircut I felt like I should start experimenting with it a little, and it all started with getting a bit of a new color, which was kind of little reddish. It didn't really turn out as I expected, but the thing is I wasn't really expecting anything. So this is it. It kind of shows on the sun, like if you go under the light it looks a bit reddish. And after that I also wanted to try the new like hairstyles, and my favorite was like making big hair and big volume which never stick and all. And another one I wanted to try was to, like, you know, do a different shapes, like different curls and stuff. And to make that true, I got this really cool fancy looking curler from Jose Eber. And I mean, the box is really fancy. Like when it came in the mail, the mailman was like, "This is for you," and I was like, "What is that?" And then I found this package, and when you open it, it's like magnetic box. That's fancy. You have all these different amazing options, and what you got in the box is like 3 different sticks with different like sizes to make your colors like really big and wavy. I really like the tiny ones. And then underneath you got like different flags, so like British and European ones. And the most important thing, the glove, because this got really hot. You can set it to like 200 degrees or something like that, and without the glove, I mean, I'm really good at hurting myself and burning myself, and you can imagine the result. So this is the most important part for me. Today, for the start, I want to try and do the big curls, because one of my like dream hairstyles has always kind of been these big waves. Maybe you've seen like Lauren Graham in Gilmore Girls. That was my dream hairstyle. Like, it's volume and it's beautiful and it's style, it's not messy. That's exactly how I would want my hair to be, but my hair has always been kind of shitty. But I'm gonna try this. So you turn it on, magical light, and then you set the degrees you want. So let's stay at 190, more than enough to burn yourself if you're as talented as me. And then it's gonna start counting the temperature, and you wait for it to be heated. I take the life-saving glove. Okay, we're at 100, 110, 120. This is going fast. And it's 190. That's it. So now wish me luck and let's see what happens. You're supposed to take the curl of your hair and get it around the brush. Wait for, let's say, 5 seconds. Don't try to burn your scalp. And just nicely slide it out, and here we go. A beautiful big wave. Wow. Looks good. Especially for the first try. Here we go, some super simple but super beautiful curls. I'll put this on to feel more fancy. And there you are. And if I manage to do it, anyone can do it. And I successfully didn't burn myself this time. The second stick I want to test is this medium-sized one, so the curls are gonna be like a bit more curly, not so much wavy. And I hope to get a nice result and a bit bigger volume with this. This looks nice. Pretty. long as you don't burn yourself, this is going really great. And I can say that this glove is pretty magical because I patted this so many times and I don't feel anything. So this is it basically. I think that this is just a perfect everyday look because it's like not too much, but it just gives you this glam feeling. So I really like it. I definitely got some volume that I was looking for.
And I have one last thing left to try, which is the smallest curler that makes the small curls, and this should create a bit more glamorous look. So let's see how it turns out. That's a very glamorous color. Here we go. A very dashing little curls. I'm not the best person to do this, which is very obvious because everything is like that, but I'm sure that if you have somebody make it for you and you see what is actually getting to be done, this would look amazing because this looks really pretty and I just feel like very kind of like party mode right now.